In this tutorial, I want to share with you how to send out an email either as a solo email or to a mailing list. So tapthepotential.com/launch takes you straight into our book launch assets folder. And when you open that up, you'll see ambassador email templates. So you just click on that. And we have 3 email templates in here. This is email template 1, and then we have email template 2 and email template 3. So email template 1 is for pre-launch, to send out before October 24th if anybody wants to purchase a book as a pre-order. And the template is set up so you could just copy and paste it into your email system. And if you're using something like ActiveCampaign, you can use replacement tags, obviously, for the first name, but you're going to want to swap that out. And anywhere where there's a yellow highlight would be a great place for you to insert your affiliate link so that you get the credit, and that helps you possibly win our biggest promoter contest that we've got going on. And then email 2 is set up so that it would be really great to send that out on October 24th, launch day. And October 24th, launch day, is really our big day. We are trying to get as many book sales as possible happening on that date, because that would kick us into the Amazon bestseller status. That is our best opportunity for hitting that on launch day. And once we get into Amazon bestseller status, it makes the book much more discoverable for entrepreneurs. And that's really why we're doing everything here, is to get to the bestseller status. So the book is much more easily discovered by entrepreneurs who need help with their hiring. And the way the Amazon algorithm works is if we can get a lot of people doing that on launch day, purchasing the book on launch day, we have a much better chance of getting that bestseller status. And then Amazon will start kicking in its own marketing after that. So email template 2 is written in that language, and you can just swap out where the yellow highlighted places are with your affiliate link, so you get the credit there. And email 3 could go out on launch day, or it could go out afterwards. So if you're someone who really wants to, do everything you can and pull out all the stops, you have 3 emails here. So you could send one out in the next day or so, send one out on launch day, and then send one out after launch day, like a day or 2 after that. Or if you just want to send one email, you can do that as well. If you don't have an email list that you send to, and you're just sending individual emails, one thing that you could do that would make your life easier is copying and pasting this into one email, and then BCCing the different people that you want to send it to. So like if you have 15 people who come to mind, but you don't want to publicize their email addresses, just put BCC in there, and that will send it out to them. So I really appreciate you all wanting to help and promote, and we're trying to make it as easy as possible for you. If you have any questions about anything that I've shared here in the tutorial, how to do anything, our team is in the ambassador group on Facebook on standby. One of us will get in there and answer your question as soon as we see it. Thank you again. Bye for now.